Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Shippingeasy versus Shipstation honest review. As you can see, for this is Shippingeasy and this is Shipstation. And even though this is 83% fit, Shippingeasy, and Shipstation is 85% fit, but when it comes to the next to side by side comparing, then Shippingeasy easily takes whether it's shipping labels, parcel shipping, label printing, shipment price calculation, and shipment tracking, all these things. And if we see all of these features for shipping easy, and this is ShipStation, accounting, yes, and then air shipping, yes, but no air shipping, and then alerts, notification. They don't have a customer database, which sucks. They do have it, customizable branding, all these things are common. And then they have freight shipping, which they don't. And then all of these are same as well. So as you can see, this honestly depends on what are the things that you're going for like shipping easy. The pros would be that the customer service is good and best service for delivery, but they do have a bit of a learning curve and things like that. Now if we look at another platform, shipping easy takes a better rating one more time with all of these things, pricing and blah blah blah. So this is my honest verdict. I would say go for the features. Like if you need a freight shipping, then obviously you'll go with a ShipStation and things like that. So it depends from feature to feature and wherever you are. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.